Thank God for every pussy like me, there's one of you. Hold on.
Thank you.
I need to shake your hand. Fucking real man. Look at that guy. I'm just doing my job. Awesome. I'm such a pussy.
You never say, I got to get in a war. You know,
no.
like you'll see rock stars who go, I got to get in a band. But he never say, I got to get in a war.
That guy's a real man, Eric. You know, Eric, that guy's over there fighting, so you have the freedom to tweet.
Yeah, and I appreciate that.
Good. All right. You see? Even Eric appreciates
Did you
it.
think of vet yesterday? It was Veterans Day.
I didn't run into any vets, but I'm thinking that guy.
You saw me.
Oh, that's right. Yeah, but I don't think of you as a vet. Although you were the greatest vet of all time. And when guys were feeling bad, she would, when they were laying in their bed, mount them and rub into their cocks.
I wasn't in the military at that time.
Oh, were you a private nurse at that point?
Yes.
Yeah. You weren't even in the military at that point. Hey, Eric, do you think I should do America's Got Talent?
Yes, I think he should do another season. But what I think he could do is help out your friend Mary with this situation. Because NBC canned her sitcom way too quick. You should say to them that they have to bring back her sitcom in order for you to come back.
Dude,
What is he talking about?
He's saying that like I got some control with the network. Like I can tell him what shows to bring back on the air.
But who's he trying to defend? Who?
A Mary show.
Welcome to the family.
Yeah, this, you know, I don't have any clout like that.
And that's not good business, Eric.
Yeah, I can't control the network. I'm not that important to them.
Even Howard is interested in ratings. They only cancel shows when they don't get an audience.
They got their own thing.
They didn't give that show a fair shot. I mean,
I agree with you. I love Mary.
Most shows don't get a fair shot.
Yeah, I love Mary and everything, and I wanted her show to be successful. But you know, a lot of these shows come and go, and then they go and do another show until they hit one that does work.
Yeah, I mean, who gets much time to make a success of a show these days? You don't.
Yeah, they do.
Hopefully, she finds something else.
Yeah. Well, yeah, she will. She's a good actress.
But look at how Eric would be if he had any power.
Hey, Eric would be running that network. If Eric was on AGT, he'd be like, you want me? Well, here's what I have to see you do. And then they throw him right off the network.
I have conditions.
Yeah. All right, Eric, thank you. Eric says do another season.
Eric would like to see you on it. That's high praise because you know how particular he is about his favorite show.
That's true.
Motherfucker.
What?
Hey.
Hey.
What happened?
Oh, sorry about that.
This guy sounds like me. That's how I roll. All day long.
Going from the king to a national hero to Eric the midget actor or whatever.
What can we do for you, Drew?